Look, I get it. I accept it. I understand it. It is a generational thing. Us as boomers, we grew up with pocket knives. That's even before you got the little pocket clip that would keep the knife more properly positioned to grab at the top of your pocket. I think my first knife that I got was, I want to say second grade, maybe third grade. My parents were strict, so they didn't allow me to have it till later in life. And I also understand that many of you never had pocket knives because you weren't allowed to carry them to school. They were considered a weapon. They were considered fingernail cleaners when I grew up. It's generational. I'm a retired boomer. It's just muscle memory. It's what we do. Wake up, eat breakfast, brush your teeth, get dressed, put a wristwatch on, analog, no batteries, and put your pocket knife in your pocket, and then I get on the couch and I watch TV and I surf the internet. But those of y'all that are not boomers, you're not into knives. You could not carry them to school, so it did not become part of your lifestyle. What I want to share with you today is one of my best finds. These are fixers, fixies. See that? 4.1 inches. I think there's like 3.6 or something like that. I'm pretty sure these would be illegal in California unless they were only about an inch long. This is a MoraKniv. M-O-R-A-K-N-I-V. It is made in Sweden. This is not Chinese bullshit. This is full tang. And I gotta be honest with you, for a fixer knife, I think I paid $9 for this one. This is high carbon steel. And I think I paid 18, 17, 19. This is all pre-pandemic, so the prices probably went up, 60%. Thank you, Joe Biden. This is stainless steel. It's plastic. I know you're going, oh God, plastic. But you know what? I did too. And once I bought one of these, I bought this one first. I real quickly decided I want another one, so I bought the high carbon steel. Ew, carbon steel, it's got scratches all over it. This is what I keep in the back of my FJ Cruiser. This is my, I love the word, overlanding knife. This is what I use at the campsite to split wood and to shave wood to make kindling to start a fire. I don't use a propane torch like you millennials do to start a fire. Okay, where was I going with this? A $10 beater. It's mole capable. Make sure you go out and buy yourself an $80 mole panel to display and hang your $10 beater knife around the campsite. This one I carry in my backpack for when I go hiking and stuff. And this is in my pocket, or one of these is in my pocket. I'm not a big knife sharpener, although I can sharpen a knife. I hate doing it. I'm not the best at it. And the bevel normally ends up cockeyed like this, so it might be sharp if you're cutting this way or whatever, but it is what it is. But these things are incredibly sharp, and they keep an edge incredibly well to where you don't have to sharpen it much. So I can't remember the last time I sharpened this, but let's see. I would call that sharp. And that's in the back of my truck. In my backpack, sharp enough. Any sharper, I can do surgery or cut the tip of my finger off, which I have done several times. So links will be in the description. I highly suggest you picking one of these up, especially the $10 one. The high carbon steel comes looking like this. It's all shiny. As you use it, it will get stained, it will get scratched, it will get messed up. Or there's a lot of videos online where people are dipping these into, I think it's apple cider vinegar or mustard, and putting it in the oven to pre-stain these. That's bullshit. Just use it. It's a knife, it's a beater, and man, sharp enough, right? Links will be in the description. I'm sure many of you already own these things. Leave a comment in the comments. Go check these out. Read the reviews. Most of these have a 5-star review on a knife that's not made in China, delivered to your house on Amazon Prime for $10. Remember the days when shipping was $8 minimum to ship anything? So that makes this a $2 knife. Bullshit. There's a lot of other features I'm not going to go into on here. Do your own homework. Check it out. That's it, man. That's all I got. See ya.